Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Oliver Artificial Intelligent. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of investing in the stock market as a beginner. So, if you're interested in the share market but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Absolutely, let's break down those steps and tips into simpler terms. 1. Learn the basics. Start by understanding what stocks are. They're essentially pieces of ownership in a company. Learn how they work, different strategies to invest, how to manage risks, and what's happening in the market. You can find plenty of easy-to-understand information online, in books, and through courses. 2. Know your goals. Decide why you want to invest. Are you saving for something specific like retirement, a house, or just trying to make extra money? Your reasons will help decide how you should invest and how much risk you can take. 3. Decide on your budget. Figure out how much money you can afford to invest. It's important not to invest money you might need for important things like bills or emergencies. 4. Pick a place to invest. Choose a trustworthy place to buy and sell stocks, called a brokerage. Look for one that doesn't charge too much, is easy to use, and provides helpful tools. Many of them now let you buy small pieces of expensive stocks, which makes it easier to start. 5. Spread out your investments. Don't put all your money into just one company's stock. It's safer to invest in different types of companies or funds that hold lots of different stocks. This way, if one doesn't do well, it won't hurt all your money. 6. Start small and grow slowly. It's smart to begin with a little money until you feel comfortable. Then, as you learn more and gain confidence, you can invest more. 7. Research before investing. Look into companies before you invest in their stocks. Check how they're doing financially, what makes them special, and what experts say about their future. Keep an eye on news and trends that might affect their stock prices. 8. Think long-term. Usually, investing in stocks is something you do for a long time. Try not to make quick decisions based on what's happening in the market today. Being patient usually works better. 9. Stay updated. Keep learning about what's going on in the stock market and the economy. Also, check in on the companies you've invested in regularly to see if anything has changed. 10. Keep your feelings in check. Sometimes, emotions like fear or wanting to make a quick profit can make you make bad decisions. Stick to your plan and try not to let emotions drive your choices. 11. Ask for help if needed. If all this seems overwhelming, you can talk to a professional who can help you make the right choices based on your situation and goals. Remember, investing has risks. Nothing is guaranteed, but with knowledge, patience, and being careful, you can make smart decisions in the stock market. Subscribe for more knowledge and share with your friends because they need these types of content and knowledge. Jai Siya Ram.